6 o'clock on Super Bowl Sunday, and I'm getting quite the spray. I feel like a hockey goalie. I'm outside the old hotel Elkhart, and there are 2 to 3 foot drifts in the parking lot, even here on the sidewalk now. It's not going to be a fun night. Standing in the middle of Main Street, you can see not much traffic, a lot of snow, a lot of drifting, and a lot of wind starting to kick up here in downtown Elkhart. Here's how it looks in downtown Elkhart outside the Lerner Theater. About 6 o'clock, getting pretty close to kickoff of the Super Bowl. Snow everywhere. A couple of feet piled up in the middle. We've got a good foot of new snow on the ground. A lot of wind and a lot of drifting. As you can see back here, it's everywhere.